Hey everyone, welcome to another exciting episode of Family Moments, where we use really cool object lessons
that teach the truth about what matters most.
Exactly. And today, we're gonna have a blast with this.
A cake? Oh, is it for my birthday?
Your birthday's not until June.
Is it for your birthday?
My birthday's not until October.
Or maybe it's for Daisy's birthday.
Daisy, our dog? I'm not even sure when Daisy's birthday is. And even if I did know, I wouldn't bake her a cake. And what in the world?
She loved it.
Oh, brother. Hey kids, Pastor Robbie here, along with my lovely assistant and wonderful daughter, Sadie.
Hello.
And today, we're going to have some fun learning about celebration.
Celebration? Oh, I love that idea. So, what are we celebrating?
Well, if you must know, we've got 5 big things to celebrate today.
5? You're kidding. What are they?
Well, before I tell you what we're going to celebrate, let's see what the Bible has to say about the topic.
Wait, the Bible talks about celebrating?
Oh yeah, in the Old Testament,
The first part of the Bible.
the first part of the Bible, what happens is there were 7 different feasts or festivals that were celebrated. The Feast of Passover, the Feast of Unleavened Bread, the Feast of First Fruits, the Feast of the Harvest, the Feast of Trumpets, the Day of Atonement, and the Feast of Tabernacles.
The Feast of Tabernacles? That doesn't sound as exciting as Christmas.
And in the New Testament,
The second part of the Bible.
the second part of the Bible, there's stories like the prodigal son, the parable of the wedding feast, and the banquet at Levi's house that all include celebrations.
I guess it is good to celebrate big occasions.
It is, but it's okay to celebrate every day too.
Every day?
Yeah, take a look at today's verse that comes from Psalm 89, 15 and 16, where it says, "Blessed are those who have learned to acclaim you, who walk in the light of your presence, Lord. They rejoice in your name all day long. They celebrate your righteousness." When we know Jesus, every day is a day to celebrate.
I guess I never thought about it that way. So, what are the 5 other things we're celebrating today?
We'll get to those in a minute. First, let's do 2 simple object lessons I like to call the light of the party. And all we're gonna need is a couple of candles, a piece of paper, a pencil, a skewer, some Play-Doh, a scissors, and a lighter. The first one is real simple. Let's pretend that this candle is supposed to be us celebrating like a birthday. And this other lit candle is Jesus. And then we blow it out because the party's over. And we remember, oh yeah, with Jesus, every day is a day to rejoice. We just go right back into celebration mode automatically.
Cool! How'd you do that?
We can do that over and over every day. Every day is a day to celebrate when we know Jesus.
I like that. What's the second object lesson?
For the second one, we'll take our piece of paper and draw a circle, and then a spiral like this. Then we'll take our scissors and cut it out so it looks like this. Then we'll take our skewer and stand it upright in this Play-Doh like this. And then we'll place one end on top of our skewer until it dangles. And then we'll place one candle near the skewer and we'll light it. And now it's time to let the celebration begin. See?
Wow, that's amazing! Now that's what I call continuous celebration. So,
Yes. Now we're going to mention the 5 things we're celebrating today besides Jesus. The first is that next week marks the 2-year anniversary of Family Moments.
2 years? Wow, it seems like we're just getting started.
In a lot of ways, yes. We're just at the tip of the iceberg. What began as a way to reach our church kids with a couple of videos during COVID has now turned into a worldwide audience of over 12,000 subscribers, over 100 videos, a website, a store, and over 900,000 views.
Oh my goodness, and we don't even know what we're doing.
You got that right. We're just a half a step ahead of our audience, But we owe a big thank you to all of you as we move forward. Follow the Lord and continue to provide wholesome, family-friendly content.
That teaches the truth about what matters most.
Exactly. And that leads us to the second thing we celebrate today. We are upping our game with Family Moments.
Upping our game? What are you talking about?
Well, as some of you know, I've been on staff at our church for 23 years as the children's pastor, and it's been a blessing and a tremendous learning experience. And while COVID helped birth Family Moments, it also forced our church to reorganize the staff. And long story short, I'm stepping off staff to devote full-time effort to Family Moments.
What in the world? Are you crazy?
A little bit. This decision was not easy, but the Lord has continued to open doors and say, trust me. And it's time to take our creativity, experience, and passion to the rest of the world and watch what the Lord can do.
But how are we going to pay our bills? How are we going to eat and pay for college and...
Easy, child. We're going to learn what it means to walk in faith, not fear. And if any of you watching are faithful followers who want to make sure we continue creating family-friendly videos, now is the time to consider partnering with us financially by joining the Fam Club. Simply go to our website,
FamilyMomentsFun.com,
FamilyMomentsFun.com, where you can click the link and find out all the details about how you can receive special perks, get in on behind-the-scenes stuff, and truly partner with us on this adventure. And for those of you who are already part of the Fam Club, our appreciation for you has taken on a whole new meaning. We truly couldn't do this without you.
What's number 3?
Well, the third thing we're celebrating is the latest contest we're launching today, and it's called Win a Visit from Family Moments.
Win a visit from Family Moments? What are you talking about?
Well, many churches and schools use our videos, but we also have a live show. And now's the time for one lucky school, church, or even family to win a personal visit from me and you.
Oh, that sounds like fun. Can you imagine how excited the kids would be if you just popped in at your school, church, or home and did a few object lessons in person? How do they enter?
Well, to enter, simply go to our website,
FamilyMomentsFun.com,
FamilyMomentsFun.com, and follow the instructions. You must be 21 or older to enter, and then in 2 weeks on Friday, April the 1st, we'll put all our names in a hat and select one lucky winner.
April 1st? This isn't some kind of joke, is it?
Absolutely not. So don't delay, enter today.
But what a bummer for those who don't win.
Well, that leads us to celebration number 4. We now have a Book Us section on our website,
FamilyMomentsFun.com.
FamilyMomentsFun.com. And our Book Us section allows organizations to bring us to them, whether they win a contest or not. Plus, we'll also be appearing live at the Great Homeschool Convention in Cincinnati on April 21st through the 23rd.
Oh yeah, we have lots of homeschool families who enjoy our show.
Exactly. We'll have a booth there, and we would love to meet some of you in person. So stop in, say hello, take a picture with us, and maybe win some stuff at our booth.
I can't wait.
And finally, our 5th and last celebration is the release of our first do-it-yourself object lesson book.
Do-it-yourself object lesson book?
Yes, many teachers want to do our lessons themselves. So we put together a digital download book that features our first 25 lessons in print. We crafted each short chapter to include the verse, a list of needed supplies, an explanation of the object lesson, what to say, a prayer, and even the discussion questions.
Amazing!
Simply visit our store
At FamilyMomentsFun.com,
where you can purchase lessons separately for $2.95 each, or get the whole booklet of 25 for just $9.95.
Now that's a deal worth celebrating.
You got that right. Celebration is a beautiful thing. So, Sadie, what did you learn today?
I learned that celebrations and feasts are mentioned throughout the Bible and are an important part of our life.
Exactly.
And if you know Jesus, every day is a day to celebrate and praise the Lord.
Very good.
Now, all this celebrating inspired me to make a big cake with 5 candles, one for each of our main points for the day.
Looks great, Sadie.
All you have to do now is blow out the candles and enjoy some cake.
Sounds good. good.
Gee whiz, Dad, you could have saved some for me. I probably should have mixed in that gunpowder.
Gunpowder?
Hey, you said we were going to have a blast.
Oh, brother. We'll see you around.